Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys how can you solve guys your auto screen problem in your Realme phones. So guys you want to solve guys your auto screen problem in your Realme phone guys. So guys you can solve, and guys now let's see how to solve auto screen of problem in a Realme phone. In this video I will show you friends. So before starting with the friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve your auto screen of problem. Then friends, you can see guys your display and brightness setting. So friends, tap here. Then guys you can see guys your auto rotate setting. So you can see this icon, so guys tap here. Then guys your auto screen program will off in your Realme phone. Then guys your phone will not rotate automatic guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve auto screen of problem in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now guys we will meet on next video. Bye friends with Neto. Before going guys, please go and like my video. Bye friends. Bye bye.